Welcome to Paper Makers. In this video, we will learn how to install current MySQL version. We will install MySQL Server, Shell and Workbench. At first, let's go to web browser. Type MySQL. Get into MySQL official website www.mysql.com. Go to downloads. Scroll down. Click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. Here, click on MySQL installer for Windows. Current version 8.0.39. Here are two versions. Click on second one. No need to log in or sign up. Just no thanks. Start my download. Here it's downloading. Open this. Right click after downloading. Open this. It will start. Minimize this. Yes. Choosing a setup type. So we have to set up. Click on custom. Click on next. We have to select the products. Click on this drop down MySQL server. Again click on once more. Select this and drag this, and again click on this drop down MySQL Workbench. The latest version you have to drag into this MySQL shell 8 months month. Click on next. Execute. It will be taking some time. Click on next. Next. We have to give the password or ROT. We have to check that. Click on next. Click on execute. Finish. Next. Finish. Yeah, MySQL Workbench is installed. Check the path. So on clicking into C drive, go to program files, click on MySQL server, bin, copy this path, start environment moving. We have to set an environment for this. Open this, click on environment variables. We have to set the path, choose path. Yeah, double click, and here we have to add new. You have to paste it here over here. Click on OK, done. To verify MySQL, go to Start, search CMD, open command prompt. Now start typing MySQL space version. Here we are into the 8.0.39 current version. Now we have to get into the server MySQL. Here U is for the user and P comes for password. We have to enter the password. Yeah. Now let's create sample database. First, let's check show databases. Show. These are default databases. Let's create database. Now we have to again check your databases. Yeah, one database is added. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.